Guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video tutorial for you today that will show you how to make a logo for your YouTube channel. Now, we're going to use Canva to do this, which is a free to access piece of software. You've got a free trial version of it available for you as a link in the description for this video. So once you're done watching, to try it all out, just click the link down below. That'll take you straight there. Once you've logged into it with either a Google account or your email or whatever, you'll land on a home page which looks like this. Now, as long as a YouTube logo is square, which 1:1 aspect ratio, and as long as it's 500 by 500 pixels, any image will do. Okay, so as long as it follows those two rules, then it will qualify as a YouTube logo. So don't be tempted to search for a YouTube logo, because if you do so, that kind of narrows down the templates that it presents you. Although they're great looking logos, there's only 760 of them. So if you take the word YouTube away and just search for logo, you can see there's 60,000 of them. So don't narrow that down too much. Use these categories and these filters on the left to do so instead. That'll give you more control over what gets returned as a result to you. The idea is then that you'd find a template which closest suits your needs and which looks more like the thing that you need or that you want. And once you've found that template, then just give it a click. So I'm going to go with that one and then hit customize this template there, that little purple button. That then opens the Canva editor where you can make all manner of changes. You can bring in elements from the graphics library, hitting that little tab there. So you can browse those groups and bring stuff in, just click and drag it. Once you've found something, you can click and drag it in like that, resize it. And then if you want to get rid of anything in the image, it's that little trash icon there. And then it's also got the ability to upload an image and add custom text if what you've got there already isn't enough. Once you click the background, you can see that, a little color swab comes up and you can select different colors that will be applied to the background. Text, for example, then once you select it, gives you access to the font size and color of that text. And then if you double click the text, it allows you to type in anything that you want to replace it with then as well. Same as this logo here, you could replace that with anything as well. So if you want to get rid of something, like I said, that little trash icon. And then once you're happy with your logo, once you've affected all those changes and you're ready to save it, just hit this little share button in the top right hand corner, hit download right there. And then that'll allow you to bring this image down as a digital image file. So like I said at the beginning, it's a PNG, which is fine for YouTube, but JPEG would work as well. Leave it as 500 by 500 pixels and it's square. Hit download, head to your YouTube channel and just upload it straight away. And that concludes the tutorial. So like I said, there's a link in the description down below for this video that'll take you straight to Canva. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of that nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any suggestions for future videos or any questions or anything like that, leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.